to sit alongside, of course, my friend Commissioner Lara to present SB 570 that will extend the California low-cost auto sunset to 2025, modernize the program, and expand access to students. For close to 20 years, low-cost auto has provided an affordable auto insurance option to low-income individuals who may otherwise go without coverage. Over 150,000 people have used the program since 2000, and close to 20,000 policies are enforced today. I accept the amendments offered by the committee. SB 570 will align the low-cost auto program with current industry practice by eliminating a gender distinction used for surcharging rates and will allow commuting students to apply for coverage under the program. Additionally, this bill simplifies the notice given to consumers and takes steps to protect consumer data by removing the preference that a tax return be used to provide eligibility. The bill also codifies department regulations to include emancipated 16 and 17-year-olds and financially independent 18-year-olds into the program. With me today, in support, I have Commissioner Ricardo Lara, Ken Goodwin of Pacific Preferred Insurance, and Joseph Villela from the Coalition for Humane Immigration Rights. With that, thank you.
Thank you, Senator. Commissioner?
Thank you, Mr. Vice Chair. Again, this is a very important program for our working and low-income consumers. The program has been in existence since 1989, helping hundreds of thousands of low-income Californians obtain car insurance, and respectfully ask for a vote.
Support?
Thank you. Good afternoon, Vice Chair Jones and members of the Senate Insurance Committee. My name is Ken Goodwin, and I am Managing Partner at Pacific Preferred Insurance. We have served as the primary online producer for the California low-cost auto insurance program for the past 3 years. As the primary online producer, we have assisted consumers who have applied online to finish in the application process and purchasing a policy without having to leave their home or place of employment. During this time, we've helped over 12,000 Californians obtain affordable auto insurance who may not have otherwise been able to if it wasn't for this program. For the many that we speak with daily, this program allows them to drive legally to seek employment, keep employment, or simply by going to and from their doctor's appointments when dealing with a disability or illness which may have kept them from working. As I personally reflect back over the years in which I've been involved, I recall one client who was living at a church shelter because he was unemployed and had lost his income following a divorce. He told me that this program was his ticket to getting back on his feet, as he would now be able to drive and seek employment. About 6 months later, he called my office to share the news that he had found employment and was able to move into his own place, thanks to the low-cost auto insurance program. I could share many more stories with you, but in short, this program provides access to the many low-income drivers throughout our state who want to drive responsibly and legally. It's not only good public policy for those who qualify for the program, but it's for the greater good for all Californians as we reduce the number of uninsured motorists on our roadways by extending this program. In closing, I urge this committee to support the SB 570, and thank you for hearing my testimony today.
Next witness, please.
Good afternoon. My name is Joseph Villela on behalf of CHIRLA, the Coalition for Humane Immigrant Rights. We're a statewide organization with national impact. I'm also a commissioner for the California Automotive Assigned Risk Plan, which is CARP, which oversees this program. I'd like to thank Senator Rubio and Insurance Commissioner Lara for introducing this important bill. Since the enactment of AB 60 Alejo, California has issued more than 1 million driver licenses to undocumented immigrants. Furthermore, this program was expanded in 2014 to include drivers with less than 3 years of continued driving experiences, which allow AB 60 drivers into the program. These two actions have made our roads safer and also save money to drivers. According to a study in 2007 by the National Academy of Science, it indicated that hit-and-run accidents dropped after AB 60 became a law. The majority of immigrants are employed. However, they earn less than natives by 24%. Therefore, this program is critical to make sure that they continue to be insured and make sure that our roads are safe. And with that, we respectfully request an aye vote. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Are there any other speakers in support of the bill? If you can just briefly give us your name and association.
Daniel Gutierrez on behalf of the Consumer Federation of California, in support.
Thank you very much. Any other speakers in support? Any speakers in opposition? Any speakers in opposition to the bill? No speakers in opposition. Comments from the dais?
Move the bill.
Bill is moved. No comments. Would you like to close?
Thank you. Clearly, this is an important program. With that, I respectfully ask for your aye vote. Thank you.
And can we call the roll, please? Oh, the motion is with amendments. Oh, we need a motion. I'm sorry. I moved it. Oh, yeah. No, we had Dodd, we had Roth and Portantino and Archuleta and Glazer. Everybody moved it. So Jones. Yeah. No, Roth was the motion maker with amendments.
Motion is due pass as amended and re-refer to Senate Appropriations Committee. Rubio.
Like to vote for your bill?
Yes. An aye vote.
Rubio, I. Jones. Jones, I. Archuleta. Archuleta, I. Bates. Borges. Dodd. Galgiani. Glazer. Glazer, I. Hueso. Mitchell. Mitchell, I. Morlock. Portantino. Portantino, I. Roth. Roth, I.
How many votes does it have? 102. You have 7 votes. We're going to leave it on call for the absent members. Thank you very much. Mr. Insurance Commissioner, are you sticking around for the rest of the day?
Done. Thank you.
Or-